Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device supports optimized battery charging and that the OS is up to date. Plug the device into a charger or set a scheduled charging window so charging can pause near 80% during inactive hours. Once done, open Battery Settings, enable the feature, and allow the system to learn your daily routine. This is how it predicts when to finish charging. Make sure to grant any permissions asked so background learning runs reliably. This initial phase is essential for accurate timing. You now let the system observe and adapt. Charge the device across several typical nights or long idle periods so it can collect data and refine predictions. Once it has a pattern, the feature will hold the battery at about 80% until shortly before you normally unplug, then finish to 100%. If your schedule varies, make small adjustments to your charging window and keep consistent sleep or work routines to improve accuracy. Review battery health metrics periodically to ensure the strategy protects capacity. To complete the cycle, let the device perform the final top-up shortly before your expected unplug time so you wake to a full battery. If you need immediate 100% earlier, disable the feature briefly, charge fully, then re-enable later so learning continues. If the system mispredicts or stops pausing near 80%, toggle optimized battery charging off and on to reset the learning model, and repeat consistent charging nights. This clears errors without affecting battery health long-term. One troubleshooting tip: check time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.